Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, the context, meaning and scope of tourism. First 1 to 4 questions are to choose the correct headings for the paragraphs. First is paragraph B, its heading is option 2, the development of mass tourism. Mass tourism ki development. Let's see in the paragraph. Tourism in the mass form as we know it today is a distinctly 20th century phenomenon. Historians suggest that the advent of mass tourism began in England during the Industrial Revolution with the rise of the middle class and the availability of relatively inexpensive transportation. Next is paragraph C, its heading is option 1, economic and social significance of tourism. Tourism की social and economic importance क्या है? Let's see in the paragraph. Tourism today has grown significantly in both economic and social importance. आगे इस पैराग्राफ में इन दोनों फील्ड्स में इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस को डिटेल्स किया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पैराग्राफ डी, इट्स हेडिंग इज ऑप्शन 5, डिफिकल्टी इन रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द इकोनॉमिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ टूरिज्म. टूरिज्म के इकोनॉमिक इफेक्ट्स को पहचानने में मुश्किल. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. However, the major problems of the travel and tourism that have hidden or obscured its economic impact are the diversity and fragmentation of the industry itself. Economic impact hidden है. Next question is paragraph A. Its answer is option 7. The world impact of tourism. पूरी दुनिया में tourism का impact. Let's see in the paragraph. Tourism is the major source of income in Bermuda, Greece, Italy, Spain, Switzerland and most Caribbean countries. In addition, Hawkins and Ritchie, quoting from data published by the American Express Company, suggest that the travel and tourism industry is the number 1 ranked employer in the Bahamas, Brazil, Canada, France, West Germany, Hong Kong, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Singapore, the United Kingdom and the United States. Next 5 to 10 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, the largest employment figures in the world are found in the travel and tourism industry. दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी एम्प्लॉयमेंट फिगर्स ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री में पाई जाती है. Let's see in the paragraph. The travel and tourism industry is the world's largest employer with almost 130 million jobs, or almost 7% of all employees. So due to same statement, its answer is true. Next 2 questions are not given. Next to that question is 2 mere features of the travel and tourism industry make its economic significance difficult to ascertain. ऐसे 2 ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म के फीचर्स हैं जो इसकी इकोनॉमिक सिग्निफिकेंस का पता नहीं लगने देते. Let's see in the paragraph. The major problems of the travel and tourism industry that have hidden or obscured its economic impact are the diversity and fragmentation of the industry itself. So because these 2 statements are same, therefore its answer is true. Next question is not given. Next question is, it is easy to show statistically how tourism affects individual economies. Statistically show करना easy है कि tourism किस तरह से individual economies को affect करता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Moreover, in all nations this problem has made it difficult for the industry to develop any type of reliable or credible tourism information base in order to estimate the contribution it makes to regional, national and global economies. सभी countries में tourism की सही जानकारी को estimate करना मुश्किल है. Question is saying, it is easy, so this is false statement. Next 11 to 13 questions are to complete the sentences by using no more than 3 words. First question is, in Greece, tourism is the most important dash. Let's see in the paragraph. Tourism is the major source of income in Bermuda, Greece. So its answer is source of income. Next question is, the travel and tourism industry in Jamaica is the major dash. Jamaica में travel and tourism industry सबसे बड़ी क्या है? Let's see in the paragraph. Travel and tourism industry is the number 1 ranked employer in the Bahamas, Brazil, Canada, France, West Germany, Hong Kong, Italy and Jamaica. So its answer is employer. Next question is, the problems associated with measuring international tourism are often reflected in the measurement of dash. International tourism को measure करने की problem किसे measure करने में झलकती है? Let's see in the paragraph. In many cases, similar difficulties arise when attempts are made to measure domestic tourism. So its answer is domestic tourism. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.